Sora from OpenAI and Gemini from Google are both being talked about as powerful multimodal assistants, especially for business use. They can understand text, images, and in Sora's case, video creation. The question for many companies is which one actually fits into real workplace needs. Let us go through the ways these two tools differ, where they shine, and what kind of business benefits each one brings. Sora is known for generating high-quality video content from text prompts. That alone makes it a standout for marketing teams, product storytelling, training content, and internal communications. Instead of relying on a full production team or stock footage libraries, you can describe what you need, and Sora produces it in a coherent, believable way. The strength of Sora is not just that it creates video. It is how natural and detailed the results look. Scenes have realistic motion, lighting, and character behavior. This allows small teams to create polished material at a level that used to require specialized skills and larger budgets. Sora also works as a reasoning model, meaning it can understand instructions and solve problems, not just create visuals. For business use, this can help with planning and scenario work. For example, you could describe a workflow and ask Sora to visualize how a process works from beginning to end. Gemini, on the other hand, is built around integrating deeply into existing workspace tools. It works closely with documents, spreadsheets, email, storage, and other systems that many companies already use every day. This makes it strong for operational tasks. Gemini can summarize large document sets, generate reports, help with internal policy drafting, analyze data in spreadsheets, and support team collaboration across shared organizational files. It is designed to feel like a natural extension of daily workflow rather than a separate creative tool. For enterprise teams that rely heavily on information management, Gemini can become a reliable assistant that helps keep work consistent and efficient. It handles structured information well and can bring context from documents stored across an organization. It is good for research, support documentation, and ongoing administrative tasks that require accuracy and continuity. Both tools are powerful. Both are capable of high-level reasoning and multimodal understanding. But they serve different purposes. Think of Sora as your visual and narrative engine, and Gemini as your operational and knowledge management partner. The best multimodal assistant for your enterprise depends on whether your organization's challenges are about communicating ideas clearly or managing information effectively. Some businesses may even benefit from using both, with each playing its strongest role.